Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a woodcutter named Elias. Elias was known for his hard-working nature and dedication to providing for his family. One day, as he ventured deep into the woods in search of quality timber, he stumbled upon a mysterious golden box. Its intricate design and dazzling shine immediately captivated him. Curiosity overcoming caution, Elias cautiously opened the box, revealing a sight that left him awestruck. Inside, he found a collection of golden coins, each one glinting with an otherworldly radiance. Elias was torn between the urge to keep this unexpected treasure for himself and the nagging voice of honesty echoing in his conscience. As he deliberated, a wise old oak tree nearby seemed to whisper, "Honesty is the key to true wealth, young woodcutter." Intrigued by the tree's advice, Elias pondered the consequences of his actions. He knew that the golden coins could transform his family's modest life into one of comfort and luxury, but the thought of dishonesty gnawed at his soul. Eventually, he decided to seek counsel from the village elder, a wise old man known for his wisdom. The elder listened attentively to Elias's tale and nodded knowingly. "The power of honesty is often underestimated, my dear. Return the gold to where you found it, and you shall witness its true magic." With a heavy heart, Elias followed the elder's advice. He carefully placed the golden coins back into the box and concealed it beneath the same oak tree. As he stepped back, a radiant glow enveloped the entire clearing, and the wise oak tree spoke again, "Your honesty has unlocked a greater treasure than gold." Elias returned to his daily routine, still burdened by the hardships of life, but with a newfound sense of peace. Little did he know that the story of his honesty had spread throughout the village, reaching the ears of a mysterious figure known as the Guardian of Virtue. Impressed by Elias's integrity, the Guardian decided to reward him. One evening, as Elias sat by the fireplace with his family, a gentle knock echoed through the door. When he opened it, he was astonished to find a group of villagers holding baskets filled with provisions, tools, and other essentials. The Guardian of Virtue stood among them, revealing the true nature of the golden box's magic, the power to inspire goodness in others. Touched by the generosity of his fellow villagers, Elias realized that the intangible wealth of trust, community, and goodwill far surpassed the allure of material riches. The village prospered as the bonds of honesty and kindness strengthened among its inhabitants. Elias became a beacon of virtue, sharing the tale of the golden box and the transformative power of honesty with everyone he met. The story spread far and wide, touching the hearts of those who heard it. The once modest village became a haven of integrity, and Elias, the humble woodcutter, became a symbol of the enduring power of honesty. In the end, Elias learned that true wealth isn't measured in gold coins but in the richness of character and the positive impact one has on the lives of others. The golden box, though alluring, was merely a catalyst for a greater treasure that had always existed within the hearts of those who chose the path of honesty and integrity.